Hello traders, welcome to today's market analysis, April 22, 2025. Let's see the market opportunities for today. I'm going to check about the new market opportunities and all the currency pairs and gold and Bitcoin. So let's see the market opportunities for today. Euro USD, it is near to the high low area. Yeah, it just broke the level and went up again. Looks like Euro USD is quite it's near to the high low area. Seems to be like that, but I'm not sure about it. Pound USD. Pound USD reaches the high. Pound USD. Pound USD. Aussie USD. Aussie USD is at the it is trying to reverse now. Aussie USD. New Zealand USD at the high. USDN at the low. Oh, it's at the low and it's looks like it is trying to rebound now. Yep, it looks like it tried to rebound now from the low. Yes, and it's exactly at the support. New Zealand USD is also at the high. It's not at trying to fall. It doesn't fall. But also USD trying to fall now. Not a fall. It's actually making correction. That's it. It's not a big fall at all. It's just a kind of correction from the resistance. So we need to wait and see. Pound USD is also the resistance. So I think. I think this is the major resistance for pound USD. So it's better if we pound USD is at the high. So pound USD. And next, Aussie USD, I'm not sure. Just check it out. USD yen is also at the support level. We might, we can expect some correction, but not very soon. But I'm not sure. Silver, it is just consolidating between 500 points. I think. No way the USD US dollar trying to get strong, but it's not good enough. The buyers are not enough to pull the market up more. USD Canadian is also just simply consolidating. But in the higher time frame, I think USD Canadian reaches our high low. Okay, there's a Canadian. So wait and see. Aussie Canadian at the high. Pound out. Oh, that starts to move up again, I believe. Fog gets strong. Pound out is simply like that. Pound Canadian. It's also simply consolidating. So it's a consolidation zone. We cannot able to say exactly what will happen there. Euro Canadian is also at the high, at a very high level. But I think Euro Canadian might also have chances to move up and break this high and reach another 2000 points. Then it can fall back again. This will happen, I think, anytime. Euro Canadian. Euro Pound. Euro Pound just trying to pull back. Euro Pound is kind of okay. Euro New Zealand, quite interesting. Euro New Zealand is still simply consolidating between the high, low, high, low. New Zealand is simply consolidating. Pound New Zealand is also consolidating up between the highs and lows. Hmm. I think Pound New Zealand will also move up before moving down. Well, let's see Euro USD. Forget all those pairs. Let's see Euro USD pair. I still didn't. I still could not say that Euro USD will make some bigger correction before moving up again. Not only a kind of bigger correction, it will make some good correction. Aussie USD. Aussie USD is also quite, but it looks like have chances to move up or down, depends on the candle closure by today. So if you look at all the pairs, look like gold trying to reverse and USDN try to move up. Mm, and all these things are happening over in the market due to Trump tariff. So Trump trade war makes uh, markets shaken up. So this week we don't have much more important news release. Today we don't have any kind of economic major economic news. But tomorrow we have new home sales and crude oil inventories. Thursday we have durable good orders. And Friday, still I think Friday doesn't have retail sales on pound. No big moments. Uh, so you don't have much more impactful news releases on this week. So let's see the pairs. Oh, Euro Swiss franc trying to rebound harder. Good to see Euro Swiss franc just trying to rebound back from the major level. Euro Swiss franc. Pound Swiss franc also remains the same. But pound Swiss franc, I think it is just simply consolidating. Pound Swiss franc, Austrian Swiss franc also doing the same. But if Austrian Swiss franc is going to try to move up, it can move up, or otherwise it will consolidate and will go down. Let's wait for the breakout from this triangle. Oh, Canadian Swiss franc. These are the lower low. I'm not sure about the Canadian Swiss franc exactly, but if you look at this charts, the Canadian Swiss franc is at the lower low area. So looks like Canadian Swiss franc is also good to buy. So I'm just rebounding from the low. Australia, New Zealand trying to break the low. I think it is just simply trying to break the low level. Pawn trying to rebound. Gold, it's the high. Gold needs to make some correction very soon. So we need to wait and see how the gold can make a bigger correction. USD yen is simply, oh yeah, kind of channel. That's it. Nothing more than that. It's just moving in a channel. But it is at the support, so should not sell. You wait for buy. Australian JPY. Looks like Australian JPY have a chance to fall back again. But I'm not much sure about that Australian JPY. But let's see. It might give a kind of consolidation. Had a very deep pullback, 3,500 points. This month, the Australian yen just fell down 8,000 points. A time ago, it was nothing, but still, for Australian Japanese yen, you can see the pullbacks. Even in a month on 2007, I think just went up to 20,000 points and 20,000 points down. Just keep moving up and down. So deep pullback happens. So we need to be very very careful trading with any kind of assets at this moment. However, you should have to place your stop loss properly on any trades because market gives a lot of trade opportunities in this high volatile times. So you should have to wait and take the trade with more care. Let's see Australian yen, and Swiss franc JPY. Swiss franc JPY just trying to fall. It is just simply falling from the high. So I think Swiss franc JPY is also good to sell, I believe. But I could not give more commitment on that because Swiss franc JPY might give some consolidation. It is also highly possible because USD yen is also the support. So need to be careful about that. CAD JPY, it is at the support, exactly at the support, but I don't have an idea to buy or sell at the moment. CAD JPY. Euro JPY looks like I can sell. JPY as all look like we can able to sell it. Euro Australia. It is just simply consolidating and trying to move up. Pound out, it is also doing the same. New Zealand trying to move down. Bitcoin, I told you Bitcoin is going to move up anyway. Just keep buying it. Nothing else. Just keep buying Bitcoin. Nothing else to do there. Australian Canadian, Australian yen, Australian JPY, Canadian JPY. Canadian JPY is exactly the support, so I don't want to buy or either sell. If you want to buy, buy. Buy is okay. Canadian, if I look at from this view, 75%. I think USD Canadian can could go up a little bit at least. The one thing I can able to sense here is like dollar is so weak. Market may give correction to make like in the smaller time frame dollar might get strong for a little bit, but the dollar is so weak. It's very weak in all the USD currency pairs. So it is better if we take a trade with more caution on USD pairs. I think New Zealand USD will fall, but mm, still not having a much stronger confirmation. Pound JPY also doing the same. Nothing else. Everything remains the same. Gold. Still, you want to buy gold? I think gold might give some bigger correction from now, like around from $3,500 to. I'm sure gold will give a better correction. Looks like gold is all very good to buy. Gold starts to make a very good correction, so it's better to buy gold. At the moment, I think it's better to buy gold because it starts to make a good correction over there. But wait for the confirmation because sometimes you should have to wait and then take a trade with more care.